Selamat datang pada pembelajaran kita. Topik pembelajaran hari ini adalah passive voice. Kita gunakan passive sebenarnya adalah bentuk lain dari active voice. Pada active voice, kita mengutamakan agent atau pelaku dari sebuah kalimat. Sementara dalam passive voice, kita tidak menekankan agent atau pelaku dari kalimat tersebut, tetapi kita mengutamakan benda yang disebutkan di sana. Rumus dari passive voice adalah subjek plus to be plus past participle atau verb 3. Be terdiri dari am, is, are, was, were, being, been, dan be sendiri. Sementara past participle, misalnya untuk kata kerja regular atau kata kerja beraturan, itu ditambahkan dengan akhiran ed. Misalnya clean, cleaned, clean. Sementara untuk kata kerja irregular, contohnya adalah tell, told, told. Memang kita harus menghafalkannya sendiri. Compare active and passive. Somebody cleans the office every day. Seseorang membersihkan kantor setiap hari. Untuk active voice, kita utamakan agent, seseorang di sini sebagai subjek. Ketika kita merubahnya menjadi passive voice, yang kita utamakan adalah benda. Misalnya the office is cleaned every day. Dengan tidak menyertakan agent, misalnya somebody. Yang utama di sini adalah bahwa the office is cleaned. Kita tidak mempedulikan oleh siapa. Dalam bahasa Indonesia kita sebut kantor dibersihkan setiap hari. Somebody cleaned the office yesterday. Seorang membersihkan kantor kemarin. Dirubah menjadi the office was cleaned yesterday. Kita gunakan was untuk menjadikan passive voice dalam past tense. The past participle of regular verb is ed. For example, cleaned, damaged, etc. Oranges are imported into Canada. Jeruk-jeruk diimpor masuk ke Kanada. Oleh siapa kita tidak peduli. Yang kita utamakan adalah oranges are imported into Canada. How often are these rooms cleaned? Berapa sering ruangan-ruangan ini dibersihkan? I'm never invited to parties. Saya tidak pernah diundang ke pesta-pesta. This house was built 100 years ago. These houses were built 100 years ago. When was the telephone invented? Kapan telepon ditemukan? We weren't invited to the parties last week. Kami tidak diundang ke pesta itu minggu yang lalu. Was anybody injured in the accident? Yes, 2 people were taken to the hospital. Was and were born. Jadi untuk menyatakan lahir, misalnya menyatakan kapan Anda lahir atau saya dilahirkan, kita gunakan was dan were born. I was born in Manado in 1981. Kita tidak katakan I am born. Where were you born? Di mana engkau dilahirkan? Biasa juga kita gunakan pasif dengan menggunakan by. Contoh, we were woken up by a loud noise. Sama artinya dengan the noise wake us up. The telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. My brother was beaten by a dog last week. Is atau are, being adalah sebagai present continuous dalam bentuk pasif. Somebody is painting the door dalam bentuk aktif. Pasifnya adalah the door is being painted. I took the bus this morning. My car is being repaired. Or somebody is repairing it. Some new houses are being built across from the park. Somebody is building them. Compare the present continuous and simple present. Silakan bandingkan present continuous atau yang sedang terjadi dengan yang biasa terjadi, simple present. The office is being cleaned right now, present continuous. Jadi dalam bentuk present continuous kita gunakan subjek plus is atau are, being, lalu verb ketiga atau past participle. The office is being cleaned right now. Artinya kantor sedang dibersihkan sekarang ini. Dalam bentuk simple present kita katakan the office is cleaned every day. In the US, football games are usually shown on TV on Mondays, but no games are being shown next Monday. Has atau have plus been untuk present perfect dalam bentuk passive. Contoh, somebody has painted the door dalam kalimat aktif. Pasifnya adalah the door has been painted. My key has been stolen, or somebody has stolen it. My keys have been stolen. Somebody has stolen them. I'm not going to the party. I haven't been invited. Same as nobody has invited me. Has this window been washed? Sama artinya dengan has somebody washed it? Compare the present perfect and simple past. The room is clean now. It has been cleaned. Present perfect. The room was cleaned yesterday. Simple past. I can't find my keys. I think they've been stolen. Present perfect. My keys were stolen last week. Mari kita lihat passive voice summary atau kesimpulan dari bentuk pasif. Untuk present simple, misalnya aktif kata kerja tells, misalnya John tells me that you are thinking of leaving, dirubah menjadi bentuk pasif, kita rubah tell menjadi told, sebelumnya ditambahkan dengan to be, am, is, atau are. Karena subjeknya adalah I, menjadi I am told by John that you are thinking of leaving. Perhatikan bahwa pada kalimat aktif, John tells me, objek me dirubah menjadi subjek dalam bentuk pasif. I am told by John that you are thinking of leaving. Simple past, told, karena bentuk past simple, maka kita gunakan was, were, plus verb ketiga dalam bentuk pasif. Contoh, John told me that you were leaving. Pasif, I was told by John that you were leaving. Present perfect, active, have atau has told. John has told me that you are leaving. Pasifnya adalah have atau has been told. I have been told by John that you are leaving. Past perfect, had told. John had already told me that you were leaving. Passive, had been told. I had already been told by John that you were leaving. Present continuous, dalam bentuk aktif, am, is, are, telling. Contohnya, John is telling me that you are leaving. Passive, am, is, are, plus being, plus verb ketiga. Contohnya, I am being told by John that you are leaving. Past continuous, was, were, telling. John was telling me that you were leaving. Passive, was, were, being told. Contohnya, I was being told by John that you were leaving. Future simple, active, will tell. Contoh, I will tell John that you are leaving. Passive, will be told. John will be told by me that you are leaving. Future perfect, active, will have told. Contoh, by tomorrow, I will have told John that you are leaving. Bentuk passive, will have been told. By tomorrow, John will have been told that you are leaving. Present perfect continuous, have atau has been telling. John has been telling me that you are leaving. Passive, have atau has been being told. Contoh, I have been being told by John that you are leaving.